Hi, I'm James from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to install your manual, no-drill roller blind. So we received our blind in the post, and that should come with your adhesive P-clip and wipe and your tightening tool. Making sure that the walls are solid and that there are no obstructions in the way, such as handles, raise the plunger spring end into the recess. Then lift the control end of the blind until it's level and then release the pressure. Hold the blind in place. Before locking the blind in place, check the blind is level with a spirit level, whilst keeping hold of the blind. You may need a spare pair of hands. Once you're happy and still holding the blind in place, turn the tightening wheel using the supplied tool to tighten the blind in place. You must also fit the child safety device provided to keep the chain out of reach of children. Ensure the chain is taut and the child safety device is at the maximum possible distance from the blind control mechanism. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the application area. Allow the surface to dry completely. Peel off the adhesive backing, ensuring it's on the child safety device, and press the tensioner firmly into place. And there you have it, your manual, no drill roller blinds, installed and working perfectly.